Yo. What is up, as Records Gamer here with another reaction? And today, guys, let me take out my glass because I'm in trouble. Today, we're here with a young artist called Spanishh. Yes, Spanishh with double H at the end. This young artist forward from Grenada, all the way from Grenada. Big up Grenada and people. And big up on yourself. Appreciate the love and support that I've been getting. So, I want to come about this track. His mother reached out to me and said, my son is doing music and I need him on your platform. So I said, do the do, let's do the do. So today, she do the do and we're here. So, Spanishh, utmost respect to your mother, my bro. Show respect to your mother from now until ever. So big up mommy, big up yourself, big up the Grenadian people them. Spanishh with John Wick. We are here. Spanishh with John Wick, Grenadian dancehall. Alright, so we're gonna jump in that one and you hear what the G has say. Remember, he's a young artist, so we are giving him our honest critique. Not to offend or anything like that. I doubt there's nothing to offend because mommy believe in you. So let's go. Sorry to cut your reactions video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me on my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in Jamaica_verse_gamer. Reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something. You understand? So let's get back to the video.
One Spaniard, man.
One Spaniard. No that.
Got guns everywhere, yeah, me living like John Wick. 2 bad girl, 2 thick ass blonde bitch for.
Yeah! Got gun everywhere, living like who? John Wick. If you don't know who John Wick is, do your research. Me not do it for no. Move from there. What on? Yeah.
Got guns everywhere, yeah, me living like John Wick. 2 bad girl, 2 thick ass blonde bitch for the feds telling me a bandit. Fuck science class, cause drugs we a practice.
Fuck science class and drugs we are practice. We don't need science class. We don't need chemistry. We're not pouring none of back of this in no reaction. No! At drugs we have. Hey!
God guns everywhere, yeah, me living like John Wick. 2 bad girl, 2 thick ass blonde bitch for the feds telling me a bandit. Fuck science class, cause drugs we are practice.
What you say? Fuck the feds cause we a bandit? Police big up on yourself, but if Spanish say fuck no. Yeah, that me I said. Fuck no too. Fuck no. Yeah, we a say fuck no.
Because blonde bitch for the feds telling me a bandit. Fuck science class, cause drugs we a practice. Cash coming in fast, pussy check my wristwatch. Summer guns in other place, pussy come this man.
Cash coming in fast, pussy check my wristwatch. The time is here, the time is now. A theme time now, check him watch. You see me? Yeah. Look how expensive him watch is. That's how I'm tell you right there. So also.
That's what I reckoned.
Siri, I'm joke in your face and bust up your face. No! Don't do that again. You hear me say? Alright, don't me chip lick on you again now. Alright, cool. See, me and Siri always be fighting. Hey Siri. What's my name? Siri, what is my name? Hey Siri. What's what? Hey Siri. What is my name?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Siri not talk. But if you can see what I'm saying, me go back. Siri, suck yourself. Pussy. Oh, chest. Anyway, back to the G.
Cause blonde bitch for the feds telling me a bandit. Fuck science class, cause drugs we a practice. Cash coming in fast, pussy check my wristwatch. Summer guns in other place, pussy come this man.
So much guns at the place, pussy. Just try come this one, man. Try come this one and we now and see what go on. Just try and see. Just try and see. The last thing you do, the last person you this.
Coming in fast, pussy check my wristwatch. Summer guns in other place, pussy come this man. Tell a boy come this now. My killer them roll up on the scooter bike. Big tall guns put in a deep sleep tonight.
My killer them roll up on the scooter bike. Big tall gun put her in a deep sleep tonight. Yo, the boss them not drive no car. Them not get stuck in a nut traffic. Zoop zap, zoop zap, zoop zap, scooter, zoop zoop. Break a red light, take a French speed like lightning. Whoop. Quick getaway. Just right there. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah.
My killer them roll up on the scooter bike. Big tall guns put in a deep sleep tonight. 666 said that the demon time. Anytime, ready figure buzz the 9. Switch pan Glock right you and a 95. My killer them no deal with the petty crime.
My killer them don't deal with petty crime, bro. We're not in a petty thief. When we catch petty thief and do petty things, we broke petty thief hands. Yeah, broke finger. We don't do petty thief. Big meat shit. Yeah. Crime. You know, say, yo, if you succeed with a crime there, you know, why for the sucking seed still. But you know, say, if you get you with a crime there, you can easily fail a 2 months. And you know, say, yo, go back on it again. But you know, say, the petty thief them now, them have to out there every day because them grab people bag and go on with one bag of thing. Petty thief is there.
Sleep tonight, 666 said that the demon time. Anytime, ready figure buzz the 9. Switch pan Glock right you and a 95. My killer them no deal with the petty crime. RG first man get big up anytime. Oh you know about west side do it crime. God guns everywhere, yeah me living like John Wick. Too bad girl, too thick as one bitch. For the feds tell them we a bandit. Fuck science class, cause drugs we a practice. Cash coming in fast, pussy check my wristwatch. Summer guns in other place, pussy come listen. Tell a boy come listen. Big fat bimmer, stolen four-wheeler. Boys start duck when them see me with the spinners.
Big fat bimmer, stolen four-wheeler. Stolen four-wheeler.
Big fat bimmer, stolen four-wheeler.
Alright, yeah. Big fat bimmer, stolen four-wheeler. So, them got to use the four-wheeler to do the crime. Then obviously them are not idiot. They're not going to do it for them own car. We're going to fall back to them and evidence it. No. So that's a stolen vehicle. Do the crime, dump the vehicle. Thinking.
Big fat bimmer, stolen four-wheeler. Boys start duck when them see me with the spinners. Shoes on my got on, that a couple figures. All tip and red beam, that a make you shiver. Pussy them a send threat, that a bitch behavior. Shot in your knee, have a calling caterpillar. So much up.
Shot in your knee, have you crawling like caterpillar. So right now, once we pull up on you and catch you flat-footed, me now go shoot you, boom, 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 for kill you. Boss, me go shoot in your knee first and punish you, make you crawl like caterpillar. You know why? Because me want you know what? Me want you to know who a kill you. Me a kill you. Me a send you home. Yes.
See them a send threat, that a bitch behavior. Shot in your knee, have a calling caterpillar. So much up in the ring, ready for your next victim. So much shot in the clip, ready for go empty it. Big tall guns have a light in a ditch. I'm not a kick it when you get cold. 6 mafia. Big tall guns have a light in a ditch. I'm not a kick it when you get cold. 6 mafia.
Big tall gun have you lie down in a ditch. I'm not talk cricket or mistake. Yo! Imacha! Imacha!
Lie down in a ditch. I'm not a cricket when you get cold. 6 mafia them suppose. Boys start run when them see the guns out. At the tall things I'ma get from G-Force. Pussy try this small, bust it in the mouth. Full clip, cause the pussy have too much amount.
Pussy try this, you me bust it in my mouth. The same mouth where you diss me, I hit I go suck a shot ya. I go suck the gunshot ya. So this way this out here dirty mouth. Watch you me go shoot a shot in your mouth. Rum! Chat too much, man. Shut up, parrot. Shut up.
Pussy try this small, bust it in the mouth. Full clip, cause the pussy have too much amount.
Too much, man. Pussy the man.
Too much, man.
God guns everywhere, yeah, me living like John Wick.
Yeah.
Too bad girl, too thick as blonde bitch. For the feds tell them we a bandit. Fuck science class, cause drugs we a practice. Cash coming in fast, pussy check my wristwatch. Summer guns in other place, pussy come listen. Tell a boy come listen.
One bumbo clad Spaniard, man.
One.
West side, where you know?
Yo,
One Spaniard. Crystal, big up. Produced by Crystal. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. But this is actually his first project. His mom said this is his first project. So if this time first project and him look so confident and compose and a chat him lyrics them, cause him have talent. Him definitely have talent. Grenada, be proud of Spaniard. Him have talent. Help push him, support him. You see me? Him have talent. Him a go on. We don't have no negative about this video. me not have no negative. In clarity peak, rhythm try speak. The concept, how him a sing about, I go on the video, cause you see him and him dog them out there. Him big up him dogs them in the video too. So, Spanishh, big up yourself, bro. Yeah, go on, my fam. Yeah, go on. Bad. No joke. And I guess with more project putting out and you being in the business more and being mainstream more like out there more, you will get more confident to do more songs in different theme and sing about different thing. But it's just growth, bro. You're in it, bro, and you're talented. So there's definitely a space in it for you, bro. So continue doing it, fam. Continue doing it. Big up yourself once again. Big up mommy. Oh, I'm going back to Siri. Hey Siri, what's my name?
You're asking me. Gangster for life.
Gangster for life. Yeah, me that. Yeah. Thank you, Siri. Thank you. Anyway, guys, this time I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoyed the one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new, and I will see you, my friends. Good night. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.